Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 95 Ford Ranger. I got the parking brake set and it works. Got a couple 100,000 miles on it, but what's kind of cool about it, it's kind of had a Baja makeover. There's a radio, heater, horn works. Blinker to the left. Blinker to the, there we go. There we go. That indicator of the switch a little touchy. This does have power window locks and mirrors. Work, as you can see. There's your power windows. And your power locks work. So. See, you got a new brake line, got a lift on it. The engine runs nice and smooth. There's your headlights. So kind of a cool truck, something different. Nobody else in town will have one like it, I'll guarantee you that. So got the spare tire mounted there. So, and for an older Ranger, everything works. So got any questions, give us a call, 605-695-7391.